Hey, what's up, guys? Good day to all of you. By the way, if you have any questions about English, just ask Teacher Ham. Alright, so we will start our lesson for pronunciation. Actually, guys, this is just a trial lesson for me to start this, YouTube channel. So just a disclaimer as well. I am not an English. No. I am not a native English speaker. So please don't bash me. Okay, I'm actually a Filipino based here in the Philippines. So let's try this lesson, and I hope it goes well. All right. Okay, so we will start with the S sound. So this is a training for pronunciation, the S sound. Okay, let us start. Okay, tips. So basically, the S sound is a voiceless sound. Well, of course, it means unvoiced. All right. So you just have to relax your mouth, okay, with lips slightly open, and place the tip of your tongue close behind your teeth without touching them. Okay, you don't have to touch it. Then softly blow air between your teeth and produce a hissing sound. Just like this. Just like that. Alright, so when pronouncing the letter S, do not touch the tip. Okay, do not touch the tip of your tongue to the roof of your mouth, nor the back of your front teeth. Okay? Do not touch the tip of your tongue to the roof of your mouth, nor the back of your front teeth. Okay, again, one more. It's not shh, it's not shh. It's okay? All right, let's continue. Let's warm up. Sa. Good. Se. Excellent. Si. Fantastic. So. Well done. Su. Good job. Okay, that's the warm up. Let's continue with the phonics drill. Okay. Sad. Very good. Number 2. Say. Excellent. Si. Sip. Good job. Next. So. Song. Great. Last one. Suit. Alright, good job, guys. So let us proceed to the next part. Alright, let's practice, or let's have the word practice. Just repeat after me. System. One more. System. Good. Next. Sore. Good job. Sore. Next. Mess. Good job. One more. Mess. Alright, good job. Next. See. One more. See. Alright, next. Sunset. Excellent. Next. Safe. Good. Next, seat. Good job. Next, cost. All right. Next, scene. One more, scene. Okay, good. Next, gas. All right, good. Nick. Next, seal. Excellent. Next, sail. All right. Next, song. Good job. Next. Oh no, wait. Next, saw. One more, saw. And last one, summer. Amazing. One more, summer. Okay, well done. Let us proceed with the sentence practice. I'm gonna go first. You'll repeat after me. Number 1. Sue has 6 pairs of socks. Okay, number 2. Sally didn't see the sign. Very good. And last one, number 3. We hunt eggs on Easter Sunday. Good job. All right, last part. Let's have the tongue twister. Okay, I'm gonna go first, and then you'll repeat. After that, we will repeat it 3 times, and let's see if we can get it right. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna go first. Sam saw 7 swans over the sea. Your turn. Good job. Okay, now we will repeat it 3 times. Sam saw 7 swans over the sea. Sam saw 7 swans over the sea. Sam saw 7 swans over the sea. Alright. Alright. Sorry. Alright, your turn. Go. Alright, amazing job, well done. Alright, so that will be the last part of our lesson for today. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my page or to my YouTube channel to expect more content about ESL or English as your second language. I will be your personal teacher here in YouTube. So I will see you again next time. Thank you for coming. I really enjoy your company here with me, of course. I don't know if I'm using the correct grammar, but I will see you again next time. Thank you so much and goodbye.